me a big wave as he goes by. Thank you, John. Aviation Museum down in Warner Robins, Florida, and the Georgia Aviation Hall of Fame. It's just a real easy car ride away. If you'd like to see something special, be sure to come down here. Pilot Cliff Deadly, the hero, the battle of Midway, the airplane is. By the way, folks, you can buy rides in these airplanes. They're available from the Commemorative Air Force. That's one of the ways they maintain them, pay for maintenance, keep them flying. Everything for the PT-26, the SPD Dauntless, the Expediter, all the way up to the P-51 Mustang. Don't you know somebody who'd like to ride in the P-51 Mustang for the holidays? You can get information from the Commemorative Air Force trailer. Many of their members here. Be sure to ask about it. Look them up online. Commemorative Air Force Dixie Wing is how you look them up in Google. And a nice job there, the S&J. That's Stan Music's T6/S&J that just landed. Dr. Music's going to be working out the P-51 Mustang a little later on for you. You're going to see Red Nose go through a complete aerobatic routine for the day is done. That's always a thrill for Warbird fans. And the star of Tora Tora Tora, Baba Black Sheep, and other theatrical and television productions. The Cape Torpedo Bomber replica. With Alan Armstrong in the controls. System spinning off an offshore low. So students beginning 2 at 5,000 feet today. Plenty of room to say what these airplanes can do. Good now in a big wave as it goes by. Thank you now. Along with all the great boots here, we sure want you to stop on the U.S. Air Force booth, U.S. Army, visit with the Navy, and the U.S. Marine Corps. Be sure to see those guys down by the big T-64 transport plane there. Veterans of Berlin Air Lift all the way down to the left. Thanks to giant green pull-up challenge. See on Bucket Dan, left and right, streaming down the runway, he's on the modified